The Bell AH-1Z Viper is an American twin-engine attack helicopter, based on the AH-1W Super Cobra, that was developed for the United States Marine Corps as part of the AH-1 upgrade program. The AH-1Z features a 4-blade, bearingless, composite main rotor system, uprated transmission, and a new target sighting system. The AH-1Z, one of the latest of prolific UAV families, is also called Zulu Cobra based on the military's phonetic alphabet pronunciation of its variant letter. It is the most flexible and a multi-mission helicopter. It has a lot of powerful features such as weapons capability that is known for 8 GM-114A/B and C Hellfire and anti-tank missiles up to 16 total and 70mm rockets, 19 or 7-shot pods, up to 76 total. Another perfect feature which is the use of modern technology that includes a new composite 4-bladed rotor system and powerful T700 GE401 engine. The Eurocopter, now Airbus Helicopters Tiger, is a 4-bladed, twin-engine attack helicopter which first entered service in 2003. It is manufactured by Eurocopter, now Airbus Helicopters. The Tiger has the distinction of being the first all-composite helicopter developed in Europe. Even the earliest models also incorporate other advanced features such as a glass cockpit, stealth technology, and high agility to increase its survivability. Improved variants have since entered service, outfitted with more powerful engines and compatible with a wider range of weapons. Since the type's introduction to service, Tigers have been used in combat in Afghanistan, Libya, and Mali. This helicopter has a unique feature among other kinds of helicopter, which is the Tiger sits the pilot in the front cockpit and the weapons officer in the rear cockpit. This kind of helicopter can guarantee the survival of both man and the machine when it comes to aircraft. The Mil-28 NATO reporting name Havoc is a Russian all-weather, day-night, military tandem, 2-seat anti-armor attack helicopter. It is an attack helicopter with no intended secondary transport capability, better optimized than the Mil-24 gunship for a role. It carried a single gun in an undernose barbette, plus external loads carried on pylons beneath stud wings. This kind of helicopter is designed for carrying out search and destroying operations against tanks and enemy personnel in combat. It can operate all day and all night, and it has the ability to work under all air conditions. It can do a lot of tasks, such as providing fire support for forward ground support of the anti-tank reserve and combating low-speed, low-altitude airborne targets. The Como AA-50 Black Shark NATO reporting name. Holcomba is a single-seat Russian attack helicopter with the distinctive coaxial rotor system of the Como design Bureau. It was designed in the 1980s and adopted for service in the Russian Army in 1995. It is manufactured by the Progress Company in Arsenet. It is used as a heavily armed scout helicopter. It is the world's first operational helicopter with a rescue ejection system. The helicopter is a 2-seat version of the AA-50, and it can be considered as a transport helicopter and an attack helicopter. This helicopter will make it easier for the helicopter crew to perform battlefield observation and coordination roles. This helicopter includes millimeter-wave radars that can help in bad weather conditions, improve the crew awareness of what's going on in the airspace, and provide targeting options for some missiles. The Boeing PA-64 Apache is an American 4-blade, twin turboshaft attack helicopter with a tail-wheel type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a two-man crew. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It is armed with a 30mm 1.18 M230 chain gun carried between the main landing gear, under the aircraft's forward fuselage, and for hardpoints mounted on stub wing pylons for carrying armament and stores. Typically a mixture of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and Hydra 70 rocket pods. The AH-64 has a large amount of systems redundancy to improve combat survivability. It was the most powerful anti-armor weapon system in the Gulf War. It has the ability to show a great firepower. This helicopter is equipped with a Lion Tech System M230 30mm single-barrel automatic cannon which has the ability to fire 625 high-explosive dual-purpose rounds a minute. So, it is one of the powerful Apache helicopters in the world.